a girl who lost her parents and was sexually abused by 600 people has come to light. The incident in which a 15-year-old girl was raped and sexually abused by several people in Chennai came out earlier this month and caused a great stir. Madan Kumar from Tandayarpet, Chennai, along with 10 others, including his mother and sister, were arrested by the Washerman-Pet all-women police in the first phase in connection with the incident. The BJP worker has also accused major prostitution brokers of raping the girl in connection with the case. A total of 20 people have been arrested and jailed, including Pramukha Rajendran, Ennore Police Inspector Pukhalendi, and Mutupandi. Investigations into the arrests have revealed that several other key figures were linked to the chain. Police arrested Vinobaji, a resident of Vinoba town, Tandayarpet, in connection with the case under the POCSO Act. He allegedly raped the 15-year-old girl in a separate room, acting as a broker for key police officials and political figures. He also reportedly worked part-time for a private television station. With more than 20 people arrested in the case, arrests are still pending. While the repercussions of the incident of sexual abuse of a 16-year-old girl in Chennai have not yet been contained, a much more horrific incident has happened to a 16-year-old girl from Madurai. The girl, who lost her parents, is from Madurai Goripalayam. She was handed over to her cousin Jayalakshmi as a 10-year-old girl in 2015. When she turned 13, Jayalakshmi's demanding face came to light. Jayalakshmi, who was famous in the sex industry, and her subordinates Anarkali, Sumati, Chandra, Tangam, Jayalakshmi, and Chinnatambi have seen the money with the girl. The atrocities have taken place to the point where a new prison has to be built if those who sexually abused the girl are to be arrested. The girl said she has been the victim of 600 sexual assaults in the last 3 years. I have been involved in the sex industry since I was 13 years old. The girl told police she had been raped by 600 people in 3 years. The police are also shocked to hear the confession of the Madurai girl. At the same time, the police have repeatedly tried to arrest him in disguise, but Jayalakshmi has escaped in the blink of an eye. When the girl was rescued in the city, only Saravana Prabhu was in police custody, Madurai. As the police have decided to set up a special unit and arrest all the 600 culprits. Consecutive sexual assaults on girls in Chennai and Madurai have left many child welfare activists are unaware of the outside world like that.